Aardwolf Transport Frames are the best on the market. And these are the reasons why. Number 1. Frames are delivered with bolts pre-installed. Number 2. Frames are easily assembled by one man. Number 3. 2 diagonal stays create a very strong, rigid design. Number 4. Frames can be assembled in 5 minutes. Number 5. Sold with white rubber locking bars together with ratchet straps. Number 6. Large counter lever with wheels make the manual moving of loaded frame easy. Number 7. Support legs for truck transportation can be lowered in seconds. Number 8. Frame designed so that fork tines reach right through to the far side of the frame. Number 9. Fully loaded frames can be loaded and unloaded from the truck with a forklift. Very safe and convenient. Note for added safety, where possible, when transporting by truck it's best to load the frame on the ground then place the loaded frame onto the truck, and vice versa when unloading.